This skill module describes the material and construction methods and piping system codes, including industry requirements and principles relating to piping system operation, safety, reliability, and availability, outlining applicable codes and standards and statutory requirements. This section discusses why this topic is important. It is critical to choose the right setting for repairs and alterations on existing vessels, piping, and tanks. Knowing the parameters of each type of welding process will help you decide which one to use in your specific situation. Improper welds or welding techniques increase the risk of welded joints problems, and rework or correction of previous welding mistakes is costly and time-consuming. In addition, weld product failures can potentially be hazardous to plant personnel. This skill module discusses the topics shown here. You may also be interested in the skill modules shown here.